नमो नमः। ईशोपनिषदि मंत्रत्रयम्। षष्ठो मंत्रः यस्तु सर्वाणि भूतानि। सप्तमो मंत्रः यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि। अष्टमो मंत्रः सपर्यगात् शुक्रमकाय मव्रणम्। स्टडी बाय एस.एल. अभ्यंकर। षष्ठो मंत्रः यस्तु सर्वाणि भूतान्यात्मन्नेवानुपश्यति सर्वभूतेषु च आत्मानं ततो न विजुगुप्सते। पदच्छेदः यः तु सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मनि एव अनुपश्यति सर्वभूतेषु च आत्मानं ततः न विजुगुप्सते। आत्मनि एव यः तु सर्वाणि भूतानि अनुपश्यति च सर्वभूतेषु आत्मानं अनुपश्यति ततः न विजुगुप्सते। यः तु सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मनि एव अनुपश्यति। सर्वाणि सर्वनाम। अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गं द्वितीया बहुवचनं। भूतानि भूत नपुंसकलिङ्गम् अत्र द्वितीया बहुवचनं। नोट भूत इज द विशेषणम ऑफ भू सत्तायां, टू एग्जिस्ट, टू बिकम, टू बी, टू हैपन। भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी अकर्मकः सेट। आत्मनि आत्मन् पुल्लिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम्। अनुपश्यति अनुदृश् इति धातु। टू कन्वे, टू सर्वे, टू बिहोल्ड, टू कीप इन व्यू और इन माइंड, सी इन प्रोस्पेक्ट। नोट पश्यति परस्मैपदं लट् लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम् ऑफ दृश् दृशिर् प्रेक्षणे, टू सी, टू लुक। भ्वादिः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः अनिट्। सर्वभूतेषु च आत्मानम् अनुपश्यति। सर्वभूतेषु सर्वभूत नपुंसकलिङ्गं सप्तमी बहुवचनम्। आत्मानम् आत्मन् पुल्लिङ्गं द्वितीया एकवचनम्। देन् 6-1-3 ततः न विजुगुप्सते। विजुगुप्सते विगुप्। नोट गुप् प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी जुगुप्सते, स्ट्रिक्टली डिसैडरेटिव ऑफ गुप्। टू डिस्पाइज, शन, अभोर, डिटेस्ट, सेंशर, with ablative, sometimes accusative also. To hide, to conceal, gopate in this sense. यः तु सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मनि एव अनुपश्यति, he who beholds all creation in himself, सर्वभूतेषु च आत्मानं अनुपश्यति, and beholds himself in all, ततः न विजुगुप्सते. He would not detest any creation, or he would not hold anything secret. Everything of his will be transparent. यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतान्यात्मैवाभूत विजानतः तत्र को मोहः कः शोकः एकत्वम् अनुपश्यतः। पदच्छेदः यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मा एव अभूत विजानतः तत्र कः मोहः कः शोकः एकत्वम् अनुपश्यतः। यस्मिन् आत्मा एव सर्वाणि भूतानि अभूत तत्र विजानतः एकत्वम् अनुपश्यतः कः मोहः कः शोकः विद्यते। यस्मिन् आत्मा एव सर्वाणि भूतानि अभूत। यस्मिन् यत् सर्वनाम अत्र पुल्लिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम्। आत्मा आत्मन् पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम्। अभूत परस्मैपदं लुङ् लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम्। ऑफ भू सत्तायां, टू एग्जिस्ट, टू बिकम, टू बी, टू हैपन। भ्वादिः परस्मैपदी अकर्मकः सेट। तत्र विजानतः विजानतः विजानत् शत्रुविशेषणम् ऑफ विज्ञा। अत्र पुल्लिंगम षष्ठी एकवचनम विजानतः. विजानत adjective, knowing, intelligent, wise, learned, clever, skillful, proficient. See, vidya navamganiyah ubhayapadi, to know, to be aware of, to learn, to comprehend, to understand, to ascertain, to find out, to learn from, to regard, know to be, consider as, to discern, discriminate, distinguish, to be familiar with, to become wise or learned. यथा यथा हि पुरुषशास्त्रं समधिगच्छति तथा तथा विजानाति. To explain, to declare. एकत्वम अनुपश्यतः. एकत्वम oneness. अनुपश्यतः अनुपश्यत शत्रु विशेषणम of anudrush. अत्र पुल्लिंगम षष्ठी एकवचनम. Anudrush we have discussed earlier in the context of anupashyati. कहा मोहः कहा शोकः. मोहः मोह घय. Love of consciousness, fainting, a swoon, insensibility, perplexity, delusion, embarrassment, confusion, folly, ignorance, infatuation, error, mistake, wonder, astonishment, affliction, pain. In philosophy, delusion of mind, which prevents one from discerning the truth, makes one believe in the reality of worldly objects and to be addicted to the gratification of sensual pleasures. Illusion of attachment or love. शोकः शुच घय. Sorrow, grief, distress. Affliction, lamentation, wailing, deep anguish. यस्मिन् आत्मा एव सर्वाणि भूतानि अभूत्, whose self became all creation, तत्र विजानतः. In such case of a special seer, विजानतः, एकत्वम् अनुपश्यतः, who sees the unique unity. कहा मोहः कहा शोकः. Would there be a temptation or lamentation? अष्टमो मंत्र. सपर्यगात् शुक्रमकायमव्रणमस्नाविरं शुद्धमपापविद्धं कविरमनीषी परिभूः स्वयंभूर्याथा तथ्यतः अर्थान् व्यदधात् शाश्वतीभ्यः समाभ्यः. पदच्छेदः. सः पर्यगात् शुक्रम अकायम अव्रणम अस्नाविरम शुद्धम अपापविद्धम कविः मनीषी परिभूः स्वयंभूः याथा तथ्यतः अर्थान् व्यदधात् शाश्वतीभ्यः समाभ्यः. शुक्रम अकायम अव्रणम अस्नाविरम शुद्धम अपापविद्धम. सः कविः मनीषी परिभूः स्वयंभूः पर्यगात् याथा तथ्यतः शाश्वतीभ्यः समाभ्यः सः अर्थान् व्यदधात्. The words shukram, akayam, avranam, asnaviram, shuddham, apapaviddham are all adjectival, but neuter also. By that they become adverbial, avyayi bhavena. That is an interesting concept in Samskrita Vyakaranam. Avyayi bhavaha is a class of compound words, but adjectives also get avyayi bhavaha when put in neuter singular. The words akayam, avranam, asnaviram, apapaviddham are compound words of nay bahuvrihi type, hence adjectival, but have napusakalingam ekvachanam, hence are used in the sentence with avyayi bhavaha. सह कविः मनीषी परिभूः स्वयंभूः शुक्रम अकायम अव्रणम अस्नाविरम शुद्धम अपापविद्धम पर्यगात्. कवि कु ई उनादि 4-138. omniscient, intelligent, clever, wise, thinking, thoughtful, praiseworthy. So Kavihi, a wise man, a thinker, a sage. Manishi, Manishin, adjective. Manisha ini, wise, learned, intelligent, clever, thoughtful, prudent. In Vedas, praying, praising. Manishi, masculine, a wise or learned person, a sage, a pandita. In Vedas, a singer, praiser. Paribhuhu, one who has been or who is all around. Saha kavi manishi paribhuhu swayambhuhu shukram akayam avranam asnaviram shuddham apapaviddham paregat. Swayambhuhu, self-existent. Shukram, shuch, rak. Nipate, nirukte, kutvam. Bright, radiant, shining. Akayam, न कायः काया वा यस्य सः अकायः न बहुरी. अव्रणम, न व्रणः यस्य सः अव्रणः न बहुव्रीहि. व्रणः व्रणम, व्रण अच, a wound, sore, bruise, hurt. Asnaviram, snavira, adjective. Asnavira, not snavira, न snavira, asnavira. Asnavira, without the gross body. Shuddham, shuddh, pure, clean, purified. Apapaviddham, na papena viddham iti apapaviddham. Na bahuvrihi. Note, viddha, vyadh, pierced, penetrated, wounded. Pariyagat, pari plus agat. Note, agat is parasmaipadam lunglakaraha prathama purushaha ekvachanam of I, in, gatau, to go. Adadihi, parasmaipadi, sakarmakaha, anit. याथा तथ्यतः शाश्वतीभ्यः समाभ्यः अर्थान् व्यदधात्. याथा तथ्यतः, याथा तथ्यम, reality, truth, rectitude, propriety. Note, tathya, adjective, तथा साधु यत, true, real, genuine. तथ्यम, truth, reality. तथ्येन, तथ्यतः, indeclinable, according to truth. Shashvatibhya, Shashvata, adjective. Shashvati, feminine. Shashvat bhavaha, un, eternal, perpetual, everlasting. Shashvatihi samaha. Samabhyah, sama, a year, Strilingam. Chaturthi, bahuvachanam. Arthan, artha, everything meaningful. Pullingam, Dvitiya bahuvachanam. Vyadadhat, V plus dha, to do, make, bring about, effect, accomplish, perform, cause, produce, occasion. Vidha iti dhatu. तस्य परस्मैपदम लंग्लकारः प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम व्यदधात्. नोट, धा दुधाय, धारण पोषणयोः. To wear, to obey, to wear, I think that got mistakenly repeated. To bear, to support, to nourish, to protect. जुहोत्यादि उभयपदी सकर्मकः अनिट. What I am doing here is doing the padabhyasa. So I have noted the Vakyamshaha 8-2, and under that Vakyamsha is Yatha Tatyatah Shashvatibhyah Samabhyah Arthan Vyadhathat. And then I have detailed the padabhyasa of every pada. Overall meaning, Saha Manishi Paribhuhu Swayambhuhu Kavihi, the wise, omniscient, self-same sage, Pariyagat, went around. Shukram, radiant. Akayam, bodiless. Avranam, unharmed. Asnaviram, without any gross body, Shuddham, pure, Apapaviddham, pious, sinless. Saha, he, Vedadhat, endorsed and upheld, Yatha Tatyatha, appropriate Arthan, thoughts, Shashvatibhya Samabhya, eternally valid. Swadhyaya, notes of self-study. 1. The logic of taking these three Shashta Saptama Ashtama mantra together was that they describe a sage, spiritually evolved and attained person. The mention in Shashto mantra, Yahatu Sarvani Bhutani Atmani Eva Anupashyati, he who beholds all creation in himself and Sarva Bhuteshu cha Atmanam Anupashyati, and beholds himself in all, is replicated in Gita, Sarva Bhutastham Atmanam Sarva Bhutani Chatmani, Ikshate Yoga Yuktatma Sarvatra Samadarshanaha. The verbs Anupashyati and Ikshate are synonymous. But the phrase Sarvatra Samadarshanaha in Gita is like icing on the cake. But can we say Ekatvam Anupashyatah, who sees the unique unity in Ashtama mantra same as Sarvatra Samadarshanaha in Gita? Maybe yes. Taking clue from mantra Tat Antarasya Sarvasya, mantra number 5, Panchamaha mantra. It is inside of everything. Tadu Sarvasya Asya Bahyata. It is outside of all this. It seems that Ekatvam, oneness, in Saptamaha mantra and Samatvam in the Gita Shloka 6-29 can be considered comparable if not equal. Samatvam and Ekatvam. The words Akayam and Asnavinam sound to be synonymous. I am not able to understand the purpose of two synonyms in a mantra. Also, Vranam, a wound, can be seen only on a physical body. So, Avranam is also an adjective of a body without any wound. Then how can Avranam be Akayam or Asnaviram? Unless, now I get to realize, Avranam can be a wound on the mind also, a mental harm. But then mind also is a part of the body. So Avranam, can Avranam be Akayam or Asnaviram? There has to be a body for there to be Avranam. Alternatively, to be Paribhuhu, going around with Avyayi Bhavaha of Akayam Avranam Asnaviram, can be faculty Siddhi acquired by the Manishi Kavihi because he is Swayambhu. By yet another consideration, Saha Manishi Paribhuhu Swayambhuhu Kavihi can be the self, Atma or Purusha, rather Siddha Purusha, who by virtue of being Swayambhuhu can be Paribhuhu, going around. Shukram, Akayam, Avranam, Asnaviram, Shuddham, Apapaviddham, as mentioned in Achedyo Yamadayo Yamakledyo Shoshevacha Nitya Sarvagataha Paribhuhu Sthanuhu Achalaha Ayam Sanatanaha Avyaktaha. So, Akayam, Asnaviram, Ayam, Achintyaha Ayam, Avikaryaha, Avranam, Avikaryaha, Ayam Uchyate. If so, this mantratrayam, Shashtaha Yassu Sarvani Bhutani, Saptamaha Yasmin Sarvani Bhutani, Ashtamaha Saparyagat Shukramakayam Avranam, refer to Atma Tattvam. Whereas Chaturtha mantra Anejadekam Manasojaviha Tatha Panchama mantra Tadejati Tannayati refer to Isha Tattvam, rather Paramatma Tattvam. Actually, Nainadeva Apnuvan Purvarshat in Chaturtha mantra seems to bring forth the distinction Devaha na Apnuvan. Etat Paramatma Tattvam or Isha Tattvam. So, Nainadeva Apnuvan Purvarshat in Chaturtha mantra seems to bring forth the distinction between Atma Tattvam in this 6th, 7th and 8th and Paramatma Tattvam in 4th and 5th. By that distinction, Ishopanishad seems to clearly support Dvaitavada of Madhvacharya than Advaitavada of Adi Shankaracharya. Dvaita, Advaita, Vishishtadvaita, Kevaladvaita, Dvaitadvaita are different schools of thought. Each thought could be right in its particular context. Actually, Ekatvam Anupashyatah in Saptamah mantra is also Advaitavada of the context of Atma eva sarvani bhutani. I think Advaitavada of the context of Atma eva sarvani bhutani advocates equanimity and compassion, whereas Dvaitavada, distinguishing between Atma Tattvam and Paramatma Tattvam, advocates modesty. Paramatma Tattvam is Paramatma Tattvam. Let not knowledge of Atma Tattvam misguide oneself to be Paramatma Tattvam. So Atma Tattvam should know its limits, should be modest enough to acknowledge Paramatma Tattvam. So that is how the Dvaitavada, distinguishing between Atma Tattvam and Paramatma Tattvam, advocates modesty. What one should strive for is to elevate the Atma Tattvam to be Saha, Manishi, Paribhuhu, Kavihi. Shubhamastu.